In the name of Allah, who's Rahman and Rahim. Hello my dear students of class metric. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn another lesson of the King Faisal. So in this lesson we will learn about the life of the King Faisal. How did he supported advance his nation or his country, and what were the feeling of the King Faisal about the Pakistan, and how the people of Pakistan mourn over his death. And even another point, how did he supported his people against the enmity with Israel. So let us start here. Who was King Faisal? My dear students, King Faisal, the King Faisal of Saudi Arabia was born in 1907 and was the second son of King Abdul Aziz ibn Saud. He received religious education from his maternal grandfather, Sheikh Abdullah ibn Abdul Latif. He was made governor of Hijaz when he was only 20. Later, he served as a Saudi foreign minister visiting several countries of the world. After the death of King Abdul Aziz, his eldest son Saud became the king. Faisal was made the crown prince and prime minister in 1958. I am going to give you the brief description and the key points about the lesson in the life of the King Faisal, my dear students. So Faisal was made crown prince and prime minister in 1958. Saudi Arabia was in a serious difficulty at the time. King Faisal used his wisdom and intelligence to overcome these difficulties. In 1960, he resigned from the post of Prime Minister but accepted it again in 1962. It means first he resigned from the post of Prime Minister in 1960 and again he is appointed as at the same post 1962. So now the King Faisal, what was the feeling of the King Faisal against the Islam and his good deeds? King Faisal was devoted to Islam. He was a good Muslim and lead a simple life. He did his best to see his people live according to the teaching of Islam. He possessed great qualities of leadership and proved to be an able ruler. He loved his people and ruled the country wisely and justly. Under his rule, the Saudi Arabia made a great progress in many fields, and he spent a sufficient money on the development of his country. Now, King Faisal considered education very important for the progress of education of his people. He also established the institution, school, colleges, and made it free of all cost for the people of his state. He also established the hospitals where people were treated or people were given medicine as well. And in there you will find hundreds of Pakistani doctors, nurses and teachers serving their Arab brethren. So in this points we also learned that when was King Faisal born, okay, how did he serve his nation, and what post is at first was he was appointed as a governor, then after prime minister. How did King Faisal was advanced to the development of the Islam? He was very devoted to Islam and he led a simple life. He also supported his people and developed many institutions and hospitals for his people. So now we have to understand there it was King Faisal's life. Now we have to understand then what was the feeling of the King Faisal for Pakistan. So now King Faisal was a sincere friend and well-wisher of the people of Pakistan. He gave generous help to his country in several occasions. Okay, so the feeling of King Faisal can be gauged or measured when the East Pakistan was separated. He was not happy to see the separation of East Pakistan, that we call it Bangladesh, from Pakistan. So he was against Israel. Why was he against the Israel? Because Saudi Arabia was enmity. Okay, his state's enmity against Israel, because Israel was enemy, bitter enemy to the Arabs, and that's why till today Pakistan has not accepted Israel as a country. So because due to this friendship of long lasting, so Pakistan hasn't accepted Israel as a country due to the Arab Muslim countries. So now, how did he help and supported against the enemy Israel? He strengthened the Arabs in their war against Israel. He felt deeply grieved when Israel set the Al-Aqsa Mosque on fire. He made every possible effort to get back the Arab territories under the illegal occupation of Israel. As you know that Israel has occupied the territories of Palestine regions, and they have made their fortified. So now this great king died in assault by a wicked nephew of his on 25th March 1975. So because he was assaulted by his nephew and was killed and was murdered. The Muslim all over the world. Now here question arises that how the Muslim feel over his or mourn over his deaths. So the Muslims all over the world mourn his death. Why the Muslim all over mourn over his death? Because all Muslim countries, because he was very close and well-wisher to all Muslim countries. That's why every Muslim across the world mourned over his death. The people of Pakistan in particular, because he was very close to the people of Pakistan. That's why they feel deep grief at this sad news. There was not a single house in Pakistan which didn't mourn his death, as if an elder of the family had passed away. Okay, as an elder passed away. It means that they thought that the King Faisal was a sincere friend, like a man or an elder person died in their home, or even a relative as well. So my dear students, it was the lesson that we knew about the King Faisal. So we knew about the life when he was born, and from where he got the education, and how did he serve his nation, and what was the feeling of the King Faisal for Pakistan, and what was his reaction against his enemy to Israel, enmity of the Israel as well, and what was the sincerity and feeling of King Faisal with other Muslim countries as well. So now here we will also solve the exercise here. So when was King Faisal born? King Faisal was born in Saudi Arabia in 1907. From whom did he receive religious education? It's a very simple. That he received religious education from his maternal grandfather. Maternal, it means a person who belonged to mother side. When was Faisal made the king? King Faisal was made the king in 1964. Number 4. How did Faisal rule Saudi Arabia? The King Faisal ruled Saudi Arabia with wisely and justly. How did he develop his country? As in earlier points, he established education. That education is very important for the development of the Saudi Arabia of his people. And he also established health and provided facility of the health to his people as well. What were the feelings of King Faisal about Pakistan? So the King Faisal was a sincere and well-wisher friend of Pakistan. As I told you that he also became sad when the East Pakistan, Bangladesh became separate from the Pakistan. Why was King Faisal against the state of Israel? King Faisal was against the state of Israel because its country's enmity with Israel. What did Faisal do for the Arabs in the war against Israel? King Faisal, when the war was against Israel, he also supported his people to fight against the Israel. When did King Faisal die? In 25th March 1975, King Faisal was died. How did the Muslim feel over his death? The Muslim all over the world or across the world mourn over his death. Even Pakistan, many people even in Pakistan also mourn over death and feel like their person is died, or relative even in his home or family. So these were the this was the lesson, and also we had done the comprehension here, question answer. So now we will also learn about the difficult words. Late means passive. Education, as you know, that maternal means mother side. Affairs means works. Govern means to rule. Later means after that. Several means many. Again means once again. Resign means to resign from the post or position or job. Devoted, okay, devoted means afforded. According to means according to something. Progress means development. Develop means to progress, to advance. Pilgrim, one who travel for religious purpose. Unity means integrity. Efforts means struggle. Spread means to send out, to expand. Network, assault means to attack. So my dear students, these were the difficult words and these were the question and answers. Now your homework is there to write about the whole lesson King Faisal in your own words, and you have to write about the King Faisal's life, his struggles for his nation, and his feeling about the Pakistan, particularly Pakistan, and even across the world, and what was his attitude and behavior toward Islam. Okay, you have to all define in your essay. You have to write an essay regarding the King Faisal. Okay, inshallah, in next lecture we will do the remaining exercise as well. Thank you, my dear students.